by the result of our past lives, creative activity, we have got this body, material body. That is also not our real body. That is the body of the prison house. Just like when a criminal is put into the prison house, he is given a different dress. In a hospital, in prison house, when a man enters, his original dress is taken. It is kept. When he is released from the hospital or jail, the same dress is again returned. Otherwise, his present dress is taken and a separate dress is given. Similarly, we have got our spiritual body. Not that we are zero, as the Mayavadi thinks. We are not zero. We have got our spiritual body, but very, very small. Very small. Then measurement is given. 1/10,000 part of the tip of the hair. Very minute. Anoraniyaga mahato mahiya. The Supreme Lord, the great God is great. He is greater than the greatest. And He is smaller than the smallest. He is, the living entity is even smaller than the atom. But it has got a body. It is not that without body. We cannot imagine. Just like sometimes we see at night some microwave and very small, almost like full scale. But it is moving very nicely here and there. So the same physiological construction, anatomy is there. Everything is there. So this is God's creation. Anoraniyaga mahato mahiya. It can also fly. We can manufacture a flying machine, 747, but we cannot manufacture a flying machine like that microwave ant. That is not possible. So, this is God's creation. Everything wonderful. But still, He is above Surya. He is not within this creation. He is creating, but He is not in this. Etat isaram isasya. This is called godly power. He is within everything and He is without still. So that is understood here. Nasti damatmani jagat vilayam madhe amumadhe jakkarana nabajali bhajati isma yoga nidra mananta. He appears to be sleeping anantakal. Again then creation and what is called annihilation is going on. Jassaiva nishasida kalam athavalamma jivanti loma vilaja jagadannanatha Vishnu mahanasa yajasaka. This creation annihilation is going on, continuous. And what is the time difference? Nishasida kala. Just like we exhale and inhale, a second. Similarly, this creation annihilation is a second for Mahavishnu. So, millions and millions of years. It stays, everything is created and it stays for some time. Srishti Sthiti, Srishti Sthiti Pralaya, 3 stages. So, between the Srishti, creation, and Pralaya, annihilation, there is one period which is called Sthiti. That Sthiti means the life of Brahma. When the life of Brahma is finished, then there is no more Sthiti. It is now annihilation. Now you can calculate what is the life of Brahma. Sahasra Juga Padjantam Arahajjat Brahmano Vidu. Our 1,000 years. And multiplied by the years of Juga. The Juga year means 4300,000 of years, and multiply it by 1000. That period is Brahma's 12 hours day. Now you can imagine, it is beyond your mathematical calculation, but still there is calculation in the Shastra, and that is such 100 years is the duration of sthiti. But that sthiti before Karunana, say Vishnu, is the moment. It's like we exhale and inhale. Sisti sthiti. Jasyaika nishasita kalamathavanam. They take only that much time which is between exhaling and inhaling. That Mahavishnu. That Mahavishnu has placed himself in this material energy, Mahatattva, by his nishas, by his inhaling and exhaling, the material energy is agitated, then the three gunas are there, then by interaction, counteraction, the whole creation takes place. Nasridamātmani jagat vilayāmi madhye sheshe. Sheshe, lying down on the Sheshamurti, Atmana, Nija Sukhanubhavone. He is not obliged. As we are placed in some certain condition of life, being obliged. Karmana daivanatrena. I have got this body, you have got this body. It is not Sukhanubhava. Here it is said that Jat At Nija Sukhanubhava. This is called pastime. He is not obliged, but he takes pleasure. Just like sometimes we take pleasure in the swimming pool, lie down and closing our eyes, the expert swimmer, they are lying down. Why it is not possible for the Supreme Lord? What is the difficulty? Sukhanubhava. We take that pastime for pleasure. For pleasure, lying down on the water, closing eyes. So, when we speak this Garbhodosai Vishnu lying down in the causal ocean, these rascals, fools, they sometimes criticize. How it is possible? How it is not possible? If an ordinary man can take pleasure lying down on the water, closing and lying for hours, we have seen it. So what is the difficulty for the Supreme Lord? You have got this tendency to lie down on water, hop on the water and close your eyes. So where your tendency has come? Your tendency has come because the same tendency is there in the Supreme Lord.